Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to make Til Mawa Ladoo. Dry roast the sesame seeds in a pan till they turn light golden and fragrant for about 4 to 5 minutes. Remove from heat and let it cool. Keep aside a little bit for coating the ladoos. Take the remaining sesame seeds and give one quick churn in a mixer. Heat mawa in a kadai on very low heat, stirring continuously for 2 minutes. Shut off the heat and stir mawa for 2 more minutes till it melts to a paste-like consistency. Add bura sugar and mix well. Then add the crushed roasted sesame seeds and mix well again. Form into balls and roll over toasted sesame seeds to coat. Store in an airtight container at room temperature.